Foreign woman breaking news. Woman in Kingston 13 push a man in the toilet by the name of trending drama aka Dwayne Flecher. They push him in the pit toilet. We call it SHIT house or latrine or lavatory in Jamaica. The fire brigade was called. Dwayne Flecher was removed from the toilet covered in feces with his phone in his hand, and he was hosed down by the fire team. Me see him on the Facebook with a new hairdo, so he means alright, unharmed. The woman that push him down in the toilet said that Dwayne have recordings with him and said he mean that talk about the woman from the warehouse, in the big warehouse. And he kick over in begging basket. So that's the reason why he push him and he fall in the pit toilet. The woman is now being charged for attempted doo-doo harm. Another story after there is a man turned up down on the big warehouse to go buy 100 cakes. He was questioned by the warehouse manager and photographic evidence was also taken just in case the cake them him go cake right the cake them. Me hear one little bee that talk said the warehouse manager behave badly because she did know say the man in the come and the cake them was ready, so she should have did ask him how the question them on the phone. Me not see the live, so me I go watch the dead to see what took in place. And me can't jog about it because of that reason. Anyway, this is the end of the foreign woman news.